Bears, I'm Brennan from the BTV studio. Today is Wednesday, March 8th, and it's celebration week for our Bears basketball team, Class 6A Region 4 champs. According to the Texas Basketball Coaches Association, our Bears basketball team was ranked 14th in the state. Rankings did not seem to matter though, as Kingston Fleming scored 13 points in the 57-43 win against the 4th-ranked Stony Point Tigers last Friday. On Saturday, their next matchup was against the San Marcos Rattlers. Kingston lit up the scoreboard by dropping 31 points in the 82-54 win to secure the regional championship. Robert Jackson followed up with 14 points, and Cam Nkogo scored 12 points. Our Bears remain undefeated in the playoffs and should move up in the rankings. BF&D Bears. Yeah, cheer on our Bears as they compete in the state tournament in the Alamo Dome this Friday at 7 p.m. against the Beaumont United Timberwolves. You can buy your tickets at the alamodome.com website. BF&D Bears. Way to knock those pins down, Lady Bears. Congrats on advancing to Texas State playoffs after competing at regionals this past Sunday. Let's wish them well at state on March 25th and 26th at Bandera Bowl. Also, let's wish our Bears track and field athletes lots of luck at the East Central Invitation today. You got this. Let's also give a huge shout out to Alan Parra for his 2 goals and Anwar Baba for his goal. Plus, Josh R.C. for his 3 saves in our Bears soccer team 2-0 win versus the Stevens Falcons. Tomorrow, they face Sotomayor at 7 p.m. at Northside Field 1. Way to kick it, Bears. And congrats to Lady Bears Soccer on your 5-0 shutout against the Sotomayor Lady Wildcats yesterday. Friday, they go up against the Holmes Lady Huskies at 5 p.m. at Northside Field 2. Keep it kicking, Lady Bears Soccer. Way to go, Bears softball team, again on your 6-2 win against Warren yesterday. Kudos to Natalia Gonzalez for the win. Friday, they go up against the Stevens at 5 p.m. at Northside Field 2, BF&D Lady Bears. Congrats to our Bears varsity baseball for their 6-4 win over Veterans Memorial yesterday. Brandon Villarreal had the win, and George Murillo the save. Plus, kudos to Jacob Krasecki for his multiple hits. Sorry for butchering all your guys' names. Friday, they faced O'Connor at 4:45 p.m. at Northside Field 1. BF&D Bears soccer baseball. Congrats on our varsity Bears for their great showing out at Buckhorn Golf Course in the comfort on Monday, finishing 4th overall out of 29 teams. Individually, Cole Bolos finished 3rd place out of 158 competitors, and Christian Cincinnero Hernandez and Gianni Alamillo both finished in the top 14 out of 158 golfers. Way to golf, Bears. Finally, Bears, Brennan Theatre competed on March 2nd in the UIL one-act play District 29 6A Zone 2 competition with a production of Sylvia, a story about a man who finds a dog in a Central Park and the mayhem that ensues when he brings her home to his wife. Kudos to Thespians, Mercy Morris and Braden Moten, who won the All-Stars Cast Awards. Ethan Literal and Kara Schmall won Honorable Mentions Awards, and Lily Alvarez won a Best Technician Award. Our Bears also won advancing play and placed 2nd in the competition. Let's wish them well as they stage their production of Sylvia in the district competition on today and tomorrow at Holmes High School. Break a leg, Bears. Well, this is all we have for today, and don't forget to follow us on Twitter at BTV Bears. And if you miss any part of this broadcast, catch us on YouTube by searching for BTV Bears. If you have any announcements for BTV, please email Mr. Cerna at fernando.cerna@nisd.net. I'm Ren, signing out from BTV. Remember, Bears, your success hinges heavily on your positive mindset, so stay engaged in your learning. Have a great day, Bears!
This is a BTV production.